president ukati ya factors yonde Kalonzo kauno utongo eti karibu miaka 300 age Matiang'i in terms of public engagement Kalonzo etu Ezekiel ondo wiketa nage Matiang'i it is in Kalonzo wathukumie vice president wa Mheshimiwa Kibaki during their pindani tho nondo akamba ingi mama twethukizie kandika national kana sioko kamba it na concert technocity here kindu tajuju no muzumbe no okelo ezi ukamba ne au meteba aipizo ndo mokitete itwa Central Kenya pindani yuyu
nigenda kwesa kwambe watatu city
nitwene project ta Twake Dam na miradi mingi ya malelo sindu zingila siambie bindana yu nitwene even the new constitution nitwene even CDF siambie bindana yu beza sia akina mama siambie beza sia akina mama women enterprise fund siambie binda yu beza sia stima katika kila constituency siambie binda yu beza sia malelo ila sienda katika constituency level siambie binda yu na siendo inge binge pio kwa uthukumi wa Kalonzo ni tuwene no tuika na ndino by the way we are back to where we were in 2002 balaba bikie bandu we ya Kenya it doesn't matter now President Moi and his people must go that is where we are sisi onge ulo wende ndino ni chao tutona kwa zicha connected wa Kalonzo as far as unge despite kuimbwa katika public service for that long sisi amwe onamuma tutongoze meibela ne masa kuitwa monde kuma kungramgitheka kuya mbeza sia mwene ndi they are all over cases in court sionge so in this case ndio bodia atongo yalange me within the united opposition lakini on a more privately ngi matutabazia makatuya ba embwe twenda ndino sioke pala Kibaki watutilile no tuambia za Kalonzo astabilize ndino na sioke to economic growth nikanando maito alama tema weyani makwate mawe with this kind of theft ende ndino ndeza kuende ni wangulia shani kwe kaneza na kungi kweka nae sio point ile nani nondo wai